You ready? Take your time. 5 more seconds. 32:30. 32:30. All right, Tanya. 32:30. Let's go. Got 1 minute. 25 seconds. You have shoulders. 25 seconds, Tanya. 25 seconds. 15, Tanya. 15. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. All right, Tanya. Yes, ready. Good job. 1 down. Let's go. All right, Tanya. Okay, I'm going to give you 20 more seconds. 20 seconds rest. 20 seconds rest. Is that my towel? That's yours. Okay, Tanya, get ready. Rest, rest, rest. 10 seconds, Tanya. Holy moly. I love those. 5, 4. Huh? Yes. Go, Tanya. 34. Minute 34. Good. 10 seconds. 6, 7, 8. Ooh, yeah. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Make it count. We're almost done. It's only 7:38 time. You still got 20 minutes. You're gonna burn fat all day. 30 seconds, Tanya. I lost count. Oh yeah. Both sides. Okay, Tanya. 20 seconds. Come on, Tanya. Use everything. Use everything. We're almost done. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, Tanya. Good job. Half one down. Half. You ready, Tanya? You ready? We're taking a break now. We're going to take a break later. Okay? Okay, ready? Okay, we're going to start 32, 24, 25. All right, Tanya. Minute 35, 30. 35, 30. Remember all that. Suck it in, suck it in. That was really good, Tanya. Get that six back. Gotta get a part-time job. Wash your clothes. She's got hard on her body. I'm like, Barnett, you gonna get a job today? Huh? Alright, you're almost 2. That's 14 years ago. 30 seconds. Halfway there, Tanya. 15, 15. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, Tanya. Ooh. Okay. One more set, we're done. One more set, Tanya. One more set. I want to see anybody work out harder than us today. That's the whole thing. Push yourself hard, Tanya. All right, Tanya, one more. This is it. All the marbles right now. Come on. Whenever you're ready, Tanya. All right, Tanya, 5 seconds. Minute 37. Minute 37. We'll be done by minute 39. Good. Good, yeah, time. 21. 21. This is it. Last one, Tanya. Last one. Last one. It's gonna hurt. It's called working out. 30 seconds, Tanya. This is it. Right now, you start to feel this pretty bad. Just breathe. 20 seconds, Tanya. 20 seconds. 20 pushes. 5, 6, 7, 1, Tanya. 8, 49. That's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, Tanya. You finished the second early. Good job. Last one. Last one, Tanya. Do what you can. Do what you can, Tanya. Ready? Minute 38, 9. 39. 39. There actually is someone here with us, but go. 3, 2, 1. 167. I never get my heart rate up that high. We're done. Drills are over.